and welcome to another quick win for Maths and Numeracy using Office 365 in Glow. This demonstration I'd like to show is using the posts section on a team. So I'm using the posts section on Microsoft Teams. If I go down to that chat box and type @forms, it will create this quick poll for me. So I've got different options I can use here. And I'm going to use the poll creator, so I can type in the question and then I can put in as many options as I like here, and I've also got an option there for multiple answers. So it gives me a wee preview here. If I'm happy with that, submit it, and that will go to my Teams, which I can show you here. So at the top of the page is the actual poll, and at the bottom show me the results there. So if I choose Donkey, you'll see updates there in real time. Another option we've got is, you'll see when I type in @forms this time, the top option here has a pre-made example one, so I'll show you how to use that one too when you create a new poll. So it starts with an example question and your answer options there. You can change that to the question followed by the options you're going to give for your answers, each of those separated with a comma and a space. So what I can also do, if I go up to the waffle on the top left of the Teams page here, I can go to Office 365 and I can open up my Forms app. So when I open up Forms, I can see all the forms that I've created, including the one I've just created with the quick poll. So it actually lets you view that data in a form. And once I open that up, I can look at the form itself. I can look at the responses I've received. So if it's a longer form, I had more responses, I could look at that data here. It's going to draw those graphs and charts for me. View individual responses with this button here. And really importantly, I can choose to open it in Excel, which would let me manipulate, sort, filter data as I needed to. And that can be really useful as a teacher if you've got several pupils creating different polls. They could be sharing those forms with you, sharing those Excel files, and you could be collating all that information together to be perhaps more useful with more data. So there's some quick wins using Microsoft Forms as part of the Teams.